The sky so wide and blue, the flowers bloom with morning dew, the trees all dance in gentle breeze and whisper tales among the leaves. The rivers sing a silver song, the mountains stand so proud and strong. In nature's arms we find our place.
Do you believe I created that animated song video using AI? Well, guess what? I did, and it was all made with the help of AI tools. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own 3D animated kids channel on YouTube? Or maybe you're just curious about how those fun, colorful, and educational videos are made. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to create stunning 3D animations. From concept to final render, you'll learn the entire process, even if you're just starting out. And that's not all. I'll also show you 2 powerful methods to produce amazing background music and original songs that perfectly match your animated content. No music experience needed. Whether you're a parent, educator, animator, or aspiring YouTuber, this video is packed with tools, tips, and inspiration to help you launch your own animated series for kids. Today, I'm going to show you how I created this short 3D animated music video. From designing the characters to animating them and making them sing, everything was built from scratch. Stick around till the end to see how I brought these characters to life using simple prompts and how I crafted a song just for them. Step 1. Generating images. To generate the images for this video, I'll be using FlexClip AI. FlexClip AI is an online video creation platform that also offers AI-powered tools for generating images. With its image generation feature, users can create custom visuals from simple text prompts, perfect for storyboarding, animations, or enhancing video content. To begin generating images in FlexClip, we'll need a well-crafted prompt. I already have a clear idea of what I want for this project, so I've prepared a prompt in advance to bring that vision to life. Now, I simply paste my prepared prompt into the box and click Generate Next. The image generation page will appear on your screen, showing the prompt we entered earlier. I won't be reading the entire prompt since it's quite long, but I've added it to the description box below. If you'd like to use it for your own characters, you can easily copy it from there. Next, choose the image style you want to create. There are plenty of options like photo, digital art, anime, painting, and vintage. For this project, I chose the Rococo style. Then, select the AI model you'd like to use. I went with the fast model, since it's the only one available with a free account. After that, choose your aspect ratio. I selected 16:9 format because it is the ideal format for YouTube videos. For the image count, I chose 2 images. Once everything is set, click Generate and wait while FlexClip processes your images. I reused the same prompt with a slight modification to maintain the same character, but changed the background. I added the phrase "near the river" to create a different scene. I used the same prompt again, this time adding the phrase "she is holding an owl" to produce a new scene. Step 2. Image to video. To bring our images to life, we're using Runway ML, one of the most advanced image-to-video generation applications available. Runway ML is a creative platform that uses AI to generate and edit videos, images, and animations. making advanced machine learning tools accessible to artists and creators. To begin animating in Runway ML, click Get Started. Then click Generate Video. Next, upload your image and start generating. Describe how your character should move within the scene and include any desired camera movements. Choose your preferred aspect ratio. For my project, I used 16:9, which suits YouTube's landscape format. Once everything is set, click Generate. In just a few seconds, Runway will create a moving video clip from your image. You can preview it to check how it looks. Pretty amazing, right? To download your video clip, click the downward arrow located in the lower right corner of the video. Repeat this process for each of your images. Upload the image, describe the desired character movements, choose the aspect ratio, and click Generate. Animate all the images included in your project to bring the entire sequence to life. Step 3. Creating song lyrics. To create song lyrics, I used ChatGPT. Just ask ChatGPT to create a song for us. I typed in, "Create a simple song about nature, 8 lines only." And in just a few seconds, ChatGPT gave us a simple song. And this is the lyric that ChatGPT provided for us. Make sure to save it in your document since we'll need it later. Step 4. Video editing. To bring everything together and bring the project to life, I used CapCut. In this video editing tutorial, I'll show you 2 methods for applying audio tracks to your video. The first method involves creating audio tracks directly in CapCut using your own lyrics. The second method is to create the audio tracks on another platform and then import them into CapCut. So, are you ready? Let's begin with the first method, creating audio tracks directly in CapCut. To begin using CapCut, import all the video clips you plan to include in your project. Next, go to the Text tab to add text to the timeline. My song has 8 lines. So I copied and pasted the text 8 times, then edited each one individually. This made it easy to place all the lyrics on the timeline. Next, I highlighted all the text and clicked on Text-to-Speech. In that section, you'll find a wide variety of voices. If you scroll to the end, you'll see the Meme Songs category. You can click on each voice to preview how it sounds. I chose the one called Euphoric. After a few seconds, the music tracks is ready for the video. Arrange the audio clips on the timeline. Then select all the music tracks and adjust the volume as needed. Are you curious how it sounds? If you're not satisfied with the voice of your singer, you can easily change it. Just highlight all the tracks, go to Voice Changer, then click Voice Filters, and choose from the available options. I selected the Sweet filter. The voice on your tracks will update automatically. Next, add the video clips to the timeline. Select all the clips, then drag them onto the timeline. You may notice some watermarks. This is because we're using a free FlexClip account. To hide them, simply increase the scale of the video and adjust the positioning slightly until the watermark is no longer visible. Then, arrange the video clips on the timeline. Preview your video to check if the video clips and soundtracks are perfectly synchronized. You can reduce the speed of a clip to slow down the character's movements and make the video last longer. Repeat this process for all your video clips until each soundtrack is paired with a corresponding video clip. Next, add transitions between the video clips. Transitions help smooth out the sequence and create a more seamless flow between scenes. To do this, go to the Transitions tab. CapCut offers a variety of transition styles. Browse and choose the one you like. To apply it, simply drag the transition between your video clips. On the right side, you'll see the transition parameters. Click Apply to All to automatically add the same transition to all your clips. Preview your project, and if everything looks good, you're ready to export. Simply click on Export to finalize your video. Let's do the second method, which is creating the audio tracks on another platform and then import them into CapCut. We're going to create a song with the help of Suno AI. Suno AI is an advanced music generation tool that uses artificial intelligence to create high-quality songs from text prompts. Suno AI makes it easy to bring your musical vision to life. No instruments or production skills required. To get started with Suno AI, simply copy your song lyrics and head over to the platform. Paste your lyrics into the input box, then describe the type of music you want. For example, I entered musical, calm, ambient, female voice. Next, click Create. Suno AI will then generate 2 songs based on your lyrics. As you can see, 2 new songs have been created. The other 2 are ones I generated earlier using the same lyrics. Listen to each track and choose the one that best fits your song video.
Beneath the sky so wide and blue, beneath the sky so wide and blue, the flowers bloom with morning dew. Beneath the sky so wide and blue, the flowers bloom with morning dew.
To download your song from Suno AI, click the 3 dots in the top right corner of the song card. Then select Download and choose the MP3 format. What I've shown you in this video is just the basics of generating songs using your own lyrics with Suno AI. It's a powerful tool for music creation. You can also generate songs using simple prompts. Suno AI will even create the lyrics for you. If you want to explore more ways to create songs with Suno, check out my other video titled How 3D Animated Nursery Rhymes Are Made with Consistent Characters. In that video, I go over different methods for using Suno AI to make music. To apply the song I created with Suno AI, I first imported the track and dragged it onto the timeline. Then, I deleted the original soundtrack we made in CapCut and replaced it with the Suno audio. After that, I adjusted the video clips to match the timing and movements of the characters. I also imported 2 cinematic animated backgrounds, one for the opening scene where I placed the title, and another for a section in the song where there's no vocal. This helps enhance the visual flow and fill in the silent moments effectively. Next, let's add the title of the song. Click on Titles, then drag the default text style onto the timeline. Replace the placeholder text with your song title. From there, you can customize the font, style, and effects to match your theme. Don't forget to add some animation to make the title more engaging. After that, export your project. Now sit back, relax, and watch the video we created. The first version features the song made directly in CapCut, while the second uses the track generated with Suno AI.
beneath the sky so white and blue, the flowers bloom with morning dew. the sky so wide and blue. The flowers bloom with morning dew. The trees all dance in gentle breeze and whisper tales among the leaves. The rivers sing a silver song. The mountains stand so proud and strong. In nature's arms we find our place, a world of calm, a warm embrace.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our other videos too.